Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss the changes which is made by IIBF in your upcoming CAIB examination June 2023. As you can see, this particular notice. So, as per this particular note, if you'll go through the detailed notice, so you'll found some kind of changes in BFM paper especially. This is the first time IIBF they'll conduct examination in this manner. So basically in BFM paper you'll find some questions which are for 1 marks only, and for these particular questions you'll not get any kind of MCQs. Okay, so if you open this particular one, so information and operational guidelines in respect of new set of questions without options. Okay, so usually, like if you see the old examinations pattern where you'll basically get 4 options for each questions. So this is the very first time when IIBF like they'll test this particular thing with the help of BFM paper only. Okay, so in BFM paper, you will get these kind of questions only. So in June 2023 examination. So as mentioned in the rule and syllabus of the CIB examination, IIBF will be introducing a new question type, that is questions without options, from the June 2023 CIB examination, and it is applicable to BFM paper only. Okay, so this is the very first time, and they are testing this particular module with the help of BFM. Okay, so here you can see this one. To begin with, the new question type will be administered in the question paper Bank Financial Management in June 2023, and later on they'll introduce this particular thing in remaining subject also. Okay, so now if you have any kind of confusion about this, so we are going to discuss that particular thing in this particular video. Okay, so basically, like if you'll study all the pointers, one thing you'll find you will get a questions based on without any options, where you have, like basically if you see, these questions will be in the form of numericals, so you have to solve that particular numericals, and with the help of virtual keyboard, so you have to mention answers. Okay, so let's say they can give you they can give you questions based on ratio analysis. So after solving that particular ratio, so you have to mention answers with the help of virtual key. Okay, so there will be some questions of this type in the BFM question paper. The questions will be diverse and will cover all the module in the subject. So as you know, we have 4 modules. So from each module, they'll have at least 1 or 2 questions based on this particular method. Each question will carry 1 marks. Okay, like other questions. These questions will not be in MCQ format. So questions without options, you can say. After every question, a response box will be provided for keying in the answer. So after going through the questions, you'll get a response box, so where you have to type the correct answers with the help of virtual keyboard. Okay, so this is the virtual, like you'll get a virtual keyboard, and with the help of this you have to type the correct answer. These questions will be numerical in nature, so as I earlier told you. So like the question based on balance sheet equations, or the ratio analysis, or forex arithmetics, or the basic arithmetics related to BFM. So you have to solve that particular questions, and for answers you have to type that particular answer in that particular given box with the help of virtual keyboard. Okay, if answer is negative, should be proceed by minus sign. So if like your answer is in between 0 to 10 digits, so you'll mention 1 2 3 4 5, whatever the answer, and if it is negative, so you have to mention minus. Okay, in case of positive answer, you do not need to mention or you do not need to use plus sign, but in case of if the answer is negative, so you have to use a minus sign. Okay, like as they have given like minus 27 in all. Okay, in case of candidate has to provide the answer in decimal, so he or she will have to key in the required numbers of digit. So digit is also permitted. Let's say your answer is 2.5, so you can use digit also. Okay, so here like we have 8.7678, this is the answer. So digit is also permitted in this particular case. Okay, candidate can key in only numbers, sign, that is decimal point. No alphabet or other character like comma and all these are accepted. So like let's say if you are using decimal, so you choose that particular word carefully, and these all questions will be numerical in form, so there is no need to worry. Like this is similar one, like previously what happened, basically examiner they give you the options, and with the help of options it is easy to find out the answer of that particular question. But now they'll just test your knowledge, and like you need to know about the formulas, so you can come to the conclusion. Okay, so after keying in the responses, the candidate will have to save the answers. So let's say you solve that question, you by using virtual key you'll mention that particular answer. After that you'll find a button which is called save button, so you have to press that particular one, and then only your answer will get submitted. Okay, so by clicking the save button before moving to the next question, if the candidate does not click on the save button, the response keyed in by the candidate will not be saved, and the question concerned will be considered not attempted. Okay, so please be careful about this. So IIBF, they generally release this particular notifications, and this is the very first time they are using this particular method, and for sure from the next examination, like for CAIB that will happen in November December 2023, they are definitely going to apply this particular method on all the 4 subjects, including 4 plus that one elective subject. Okay, so they want to test your the depth of your knowledge based on these kind of questions. So I hope you like the video, and if you like, please do share with your friends, those who are going for CAIB June 2023. And this is a very important one, basically I would say, because like if you will be aware about this kind of changes, so this is definitely going to help you in June 2023 as well as November December 2023 CIB examination. Okay, so if you like, please do share with your friends and do like the session, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.